This morning we're going to look at using the Geyser Systems extension for our hot and cold shower point. Now, Geyser has provided us with this system that allows this catheter to go up inside this sponge with a mini soap. So we're down on this riverbank on a gravel bar. I'm just gonna use this surf grass as the shower today. Got my Nomadics towel. Let's see how this works. I'm just gonna slide this inside the oh, I guess I have to get that open a little bit more. I'm told that you gotta push that all the way to the top. So it's up there by the geyser. You have to insert this so that it gets up beyond these stitches. And there we go. You kind of pull it back. I think the edges of the catheter will go down inside. Okay, now I'm ready to turn it on and get it hot.
Wow.
I'm going to turn it on until it gets hot. And this little flow control valve here really lets you control how much water's coming through. I'm running it because there's some cold water in the line. Now it's getting nice and hot. Ooh, that's nice and hot. Okay, time to shower.
You know you could just get butter.
It's super hot. That was pretty easy. Didn't use a whole heck of a lot of water, maybe a gallon, maybe a little bit more. It had a pretty good hot shower. Reason we did this is I think this could be used inside without making a huge mess inside and not have to put up a shower enclosure. Okay, thanks for watching. Post your comments.